So we have this ghost logo right here. It needs to get cut out onto this piece of rock maple by using the scroll saw, so that way it can be inlaid inside of the lid right here. So we're going to start off with the scissors. The level of sophistication and elegance is now elevated with this box. It's getting more crazy, more insane. We have the chisels, we got the green pencil.
We gotta start tracing, we gotta start carving, and we also gotta get that router out with that 3/32 bit so that we can basically be our own CNC machine, because that's how it is around here.
So the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost squad, has officially arrived here to the wood shop. It's looking fantastic. That inlay was very, very difficult, but worked out pretty well. So we got this piece of 8/4 cherry right here. This thing's absolutely massive, guys. And so what we're gonna be doing with that is making the handle here for the chisel box. So
I made a mock-up piece out of some scrap pine, and well, I gotta take this, trace it onto this big old piece of cherry, go over to the table saw, cut it up, go to the bandsaw, cut it up again, and then start sanding it up, and then stick it on the lid, and it should look pretty sweet.
our handle all made up here, and obviously it's not looking that crazy, so we're thinking that we're gonna add an inlay down the middle of it right here. We want to do some Paduk that we got because we want to keep going with this orange theme, so we're gonna start working on that right now. Should be pretty insane, so let's get right into it. So we got the handle all attached here. That contrast turned out pretty nice. Loving that Paduk on the Paduk there. And then we got the chisels in there. We got the piece of cherry. It's made a return because we have to make a rack.
We gotta make a rack for the chisels because, well, we have to so that they don't move around inside the box. So we gotta do some dados. So each chisel's gonna have its own special spot. So this is an 1¼ inch chisel. So we'll make an 1¼ inch dado inside of the cherry and all the other sizes for the chisels so that they fit perfectly inside the box.
So we have finished up with the chisel box. It turned out really nice, but we're going to be seeing it in all the videos in the future, so it's not going away, and we don't want you guys to go away either. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss the next crazy build, because there's going to be plenty more to come, and we really do appreciate all the support here on the channel. But just like that, we're going to end off this video, and we'll see you on the next one.